This is for educational use only. Our group grants permission for our instructor, Mr. Roldan Ardi Ness, to use this as educational material.
Good day. Today we're going to present global population and demography. We'll define the key terms, examine major trends, and explore future challenges. Global population is the total number of humans alive at a given time. Demography is the science that studies populations, their size, structures, and changes via births, death, and migration. To fully understand population dynamics, we look at five core measures: fertility, mortality, migration, age structure, and urbanization. Together, they tell us not just how many people they are, but who they are and where they live. As of 2025, global population is about 8.2 billion. Growth has been rapid over recent decades. Asia's remain the largest share. Africa is growing fast. Growth is slowing. Many countries have fertility beneath the replacement level. Aging population is rising. Urbanization continues. Some states will face population decline. These trends are already reshaping economics and societies.
Good day, I am Decadet Humawan and I'm going to talk about demography. Projections suggest global population will peak around 10.3 billion in the mid-2080s, then slowly decline, but these are not certainties. They depend on fertility, mortality, and migration assumption. The challenges are profound. More people means more demands for food, water and land, energy and waste disposal. Aging societies require stronger healthcare, pensions, and social support system. Migration pressure intensify in uneven growth context. To respond, policymakers must invest in family planning, education, healthcare, infrastructure, urban planning, and age-friendly system. International cooperation will matter more than ever. In conclusion, demography is destiny. How we manage population trends will determine sustainability, equality, and quality of life for future generations. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Decadet Rivera and today we will tackle about definition of population and demography. Population refers to a specific group of individuals like people, animals, or other organisms living in a particular geographic area at a given time, while demography is the scientific study of these populations, examining their size, structure, distribution, and how they change over time through factors like birth rates, or what we call fertility, death rates, or mortality, and migration.
Definition of demography: statistical study of human population, especially with reference to size and density, distribution and vital statistic, births, marriage, and death. Contemporary demographic concern including the population explosion, the interplay between population and economic development, the effect of birth control, urban congestion, legal immigration, and labor force. Statistic: for a discussion of object of demographic study, see population in biology and physical anthropology.
What is the population and demography all about? Population and demography are closely related terms, but they refer to different aspects within the study of human societies. Here's a clear and specific explanation of each. Population Population refers to the total number of people living in a specific geographic area at a given time. It can be global, national, regional, or local in scope. Key aspect of population. First, size. How many people live in an area? Second, density. Number of people per unit area. Example, per square kilometer. Third, distribution. How people are spread out across a region. Fourth, growth rate. How the size of the population changes over time. Last one, structure. The composition by age, gender, ethnicity, and etc. Example, the population of Nigeria is over 200 million people with high density in urban areas like Lagos.
We will be talking about demography and what it actually means. Demography is the scientific study of human populations focusing on their size, structure, and distribution. It examines various factors such as birth rates, death rates, migration patterns, and social characteristics. Demography helps us understand and analyze population trends, allowing us to make predictions for the future. By studying population growth, demography provides critical insight into social, economic, and political issues. Demographers use statistical method to gather data and draw meaningful conclusions about population dynamics. This allows us to understand how population change over time and what factors influence their change. Demography plays a critical role in analyzing patterns of aging, fertility rates, and population growth or decline. It helps government and policymakers make informed decisions about resource allocation and social policies. Additionally, demography helps us understand how factors like education, healthcare, and employment impact population dynamics. Demographic data helps business identify target markets, plan marketing strategies, and develop consumer products. By studying demographic trends, we can predict future demand for goods and services. Demography also helps identify disparities and inequalities across different population groups, directing attention towards social issues. Understanding demographic patterns is essential for economic planning, urban development, and infrastructure management. For instance, it helps cities plan for school capacities, transformation system, and healthcare facilities. Demography is interdisciplinary, drawing from fields like sociology, economics, geography, and public health. It provides valuable insight into migration patterns, urbanization, and social change within societies. Moreover, demography helps us comprehend an impact of globalization and its effect on diverse population. In summary, demography is a powerful tool that helps us understand the dynamic of human population and their implication for society. By analyzing population trends, demography enables us to make informed decisions and plan for a better future.
Factors influencing demographic transition. 1. Advancement in public health and sanitation. These improvements lead to lower death rates, especially in stage 2. Number 2. Increased access to education, especially for women. Education contributes to lower fertility rates and greater awareness of family planning. Number 3. Economic development and industrialization. These shifts often lead to urbanization and changes in family size preferences. Number 4. Cognitive empowerment. Rational calculation rather than fatalistic behavioral patterns. Let's proceed to global implications. The demographic transition has significant implications for global population trends. 1. Population growth. The world population has increased dramatically due to the demographic transition, particularly in developing countries. 2. Aging populations. Many developed countries face aging populations and potential population decline, which constrains social security systems and healthcare resources. Number 3. Demographic dividend. Countries transitioning through stages 2 and 3 may experience a demographic dividend where a larger working age population can boost economic growth. And lastly, fertility rates decline. The global total fertility rate has declined from 5.3 in 1963 to 2.2 in 2023. The demographic transition model provides a useful framework for understanding and predicting population changes, but it is important to recognize that individual countries may experience unique patterns due to specific social, political, and economical factors.
Good afternoon, I'm Engine Cadet Abelanosa and I'm here to discuss about the theories of demographic transition as it affects global population. So as the demographic transition theory explains how population change as the country develop in economically moving from pre-industrial to industrialized societies, it is a model that demographers use to analyze and predict population trends including birth rates, death rates, and natural increase rates. So these are the stages of demographic transition. The demographic transition model consists of 4 or possibly 5 stages. So this is the stage 1. Stage 1 characterized by high birth rates and high death rates. In this stage, population growth is minimal due to disease, famine, and lack of healthcare. Currently, no entire country remains in this stage 1, though certain isolated communities may exhibit these characteristics. Stage 2, marked by a decline in death rates while birth rates remain high. This leads to rapid population growth as a result of improvement in healthcare, sanitation, and food supply. Countries such as Niger, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and Somalia are currently in. Stage 3, characterized by declining birth rates and low death rates, resulting in continued population growth but at the slower pace compared to stage 2. Increased industrialized leads to urbanization and a decrease in the total fertility rate. Like Mexico, India, Colombia, and South Africa are in this stage. Stage 4 features low birth rates and low death rates, leading to a stable population growth. Countries in stage 4 include in United States, Canada, Japan, China, Brazil, and Argentina. Stage 5. In this stage, birth rates fall below death rates, leading to population declines. This is often seen in countries with aging population and low fertility rates such as Germany, Italy, and Japan.